Before you begin, remove the optical drive, base enclosure, wireless module, hard disk drive assembly, display panel assembly, and display bezel. Removal. Remove the display panel cable from the routing channel on the display enclosure. Important: the display panel is held in place by 2 strips of stretch-release tape. Each tape strip contains a plastic pull tab. One at a time, grasp the end of each strip of tape and then carefully and slowly pull straight away, as parallel with the display enclosure as possible, until the entire strip has been removed. Important: if the stretch-release tape strips are pulled too quickly or at an extreme angle, they will break before releasing the display panel. Note: the removed stretch-release tape is not reusable. Lift the display panel and set it down in front of the display enclosure. Disconnect the display panel cable from the back of the display panel. Remove the display panel. Important: when replacing the display panel, follow these steps. Remove the adhesive backing from the left stretch-release tape strip. Align the edges of the strip with the left display panel hinge on the display enclosure. Place the strip into position on the left side of the display enclosure, ensuring that the tab on the bottom of the strip will not be covered up when the display panel is replaced. Apply pressure to the length of the strip to adhere it into place. To place the right strip of stretch-release tape, follow the same steps on the right side of the display enclosure. Remove the release paper from both stretch-release tape strips. Connect the display panel cable into its connector on the back of the display panel. Place the display panel into position between the display panel hinges. Route the display panel cable through the routing channel on the display enclosure.